In this video, you'll learn how to earn the Google Ads Partner Badge. This badge is a mark of credibility for businesses and marketers who manage Google Ads campaigns. It proves your expertise, builds trust with clients, and helps you stand out in the competitive digital marketing space. Start by visiting the official Google Ads website and signing into your account. Make sure you're bought using a business or agency account, since the Partner Badge is connected to a Google Ads Manager account, not a personal one. Once you're logged in, look for the Become a Partner link. This takes you to the Google Partners program page. The Google Partners program offers tools, training, and insights designed to help agencies and advertisers improve performance. Joining gives you access to product updates, beta features, and certification courses that help you stay ahead in digital advertising. To qualify for the Partner Badge, you need to meet three main requirements: performance, spend, and certification. The first is performance. Google checks how well you manage campaigns, looking at account optimization, growth, and consistency. You'll need to show that you make smart, data-driven decisions that improve results for your clients. The second is spend. Over the past 90 days, your managed accounts must have reached a minimum ad spend. This proves you're actively managing campaigns at a meaningful scale. The exact spend requirement can vary by country, but it's typically around $10,000. The third is certification. At least one member of your team must be Google Ads certified through Skillshop, Google's official learning platform. You can earn certifications in different areas like search, display, video, or shopping ads. Once all three conditions are met, Google will automatically review your account. If you qualify, your company earns the Partner Badge. You can display it on your website, proposals, and client materials to show verified expertise. The badge also links to your Google profile so clients can confirm your partner status directly. After earning the badge, it's important to maintain your status, keep up your performance standards, meet the ad spend threshold, and ensure your certifications stay active. Google reviews these metrics regularly to confirm that partners continue meeting requirements. Beyond recognition, the Partner Badge gives you real advantages. You'll get early access to new features, special training opportunities, and direct support from Google experts. These benefits help you serve clients better and stay competitive in the industry. To sum it up, earning the Google Ads Partner Badge takes consistent performance, active account management, and up-to-date certifications. Once you have it, you'll gain more trust, credibility, and visibility for your business. Stay focused on learning, optimizing your campaigns, and maintaining your standards. That's how you'll keep your Partner Badge and continue growing as a digital marketing professional.